In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename an organization in Hubstaff. Whether you're undergoing a company rebranding or simply need to update your organization's name for any other reason, this tutorial will guide you smoothly through the process. We'll be taking our time to ensure that each step is easy to understand and execute. First, go ahead and log into your Hubstaff account. Now, at the top right corner of your Hubstaff dashboard, you'll notice an icon representing your organization. This is crucial because clicking on this icon is your gateway to accessing the settings you need to change the name. Easy, right? Just move your cursor to that icon and give it a click. Once you've clicked on the organization icon, a drop-down menu appears, presenting you with several options. Now, your immediate goal is to find and click on the Organizations menu. This section is particularly important as it lists all your active organizations on Hubstaff. Selecting this will take you to a separate page where all things related to your organization's settings are laid out for you. At this point, you should see a list of the organizations you are part of or manage. Alongside each organization's name, you will find various action options. The next step is to identify the Actions button next to the organization whose name you intend to change. Make sure you click on this button, which will give you a few additional options to proceed with. With the Actions menu now open, your next move is to click on Edit. Naturally, this option allows you to modify various details about your organization, including its name. Think of this as opening the door to a room where adjustments can be made freely. Once you click Edit, you'll find yourself in the editing interface. It's time to focus on the field that contains your current organization name. Here, you have the freedom to type in the new name you want to set for your organization. Take a moment to ensure that the new name is spelled correctly and represents your organization accurately, reflecting any new changes or branding. After you've entered the new name, don't forget to locate the Save button and click on it. Saving your changes is crucial because without doing so, all the adjustments you just made won't take effect. Your new organization name will be updated and displayed on the dashboard and throughout Hubstaff. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed your organization in Hubstaff with just a few simple steps. Taking the time to make your organization name clear and correct isn't just about aesthetics. It's also essential for maintaining clear communication and brand consistency across all teams and members who interact with your organization in Hubstaff. Thank you for following along in this video. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time.